Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you.
Luper Auto has helped me out in a pinch. Their team is knowledgeable and friendly, but straight to the point. They've been honest in their work and pricing for their services. Definitely would recommend to have as your go-to mechanic in the valley.
5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star reviews. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.